Okay, so now we're going to go into the pointe shoe making room. This is J maker, as you can see. What happens here is pointe shoes are made inside out and upside down. And what she's doing here is she's pleating the toe. So it's quite involved to pull that together. And she's going to pin it down. Everything that goes in the shoes is natural fibres. Nothing is plastic, and everything is made by hand. So here you go. So this is the shoe last. The shoe is inside out and upside down. That's the sole. And look how smooth that is. But it's all, if you feel that, it's actually damp. So look, let's look here together so we can see there's all different things that go into the block. So this is a piece of card. Underneath it, it's all gluey. There's hessian. And different combinations of these things mixed together with our special paste give you a different finish. So now let's go over here and we're going to meet one of our other shoemakers. His symbol is Crown and he's been with us a very long time. There are dancers all over the world wearing his shoes. So let's go meet Ray. Every day he'll get all of his work tickets, and there'll be some of them shoes will be for dancers, individual dancers, and each dancer has their own recipe. So they have to really pay attention and read all of the details of the shoe. So how many shoes do you make a day, Ray?
I make 41 pairs a day. I used to do 44. It's been a lot easier coming down to 41 because a lot of work involved, but it's a lot easier doing it and you've got more time.
How long did it take you to learn how to make the shoes?
I'd say it can take up to a year. Just define all the smaller details in the shoe. When you put everything together, that's the easy bit. It's the finishing part was the difficult bit, because on tickets you've got all different specifications like being wide toe, tapered, long block, short block, long pleats, short pleats. So that takes consideration because you know you don't want to complete one shoe the same all the way through when dancers want different styles. So it takes time to understand the tickets and understand what the dancers want. And I think a lot of the time when you do get it right, you know about it because the same dancer comes back all the time. And when you don't, you don't know about it.
This is another one of our shoemakers. His symbol is Castle. We've seen how the shoe is put together. So now have a look at what he's doing. This I find fascinating. He's turning it through the right way. So now he's going to put the insole in. And again, that depends what the dancer wants, all different types of insoles. And there you go, so this one is a 5.5. That's his symbol, Castle. That tells us how wide it is as well, and all of the information there.
Wow.
After being in the noisy factory, this is very calm and quiet. And this is where the pointe shoes are finished.